Congratulations! You finally did it. You've been accepted to the University of North Carolina, Wilmington. College is so awesome, and this is going to change your life. But before you get started, there's a few steps you need to complete so that you'll be all set for your freshman year. Let's get to it. Step 1. Receive your welcome packet in the mail. Your welcome packet contains all of the necessary paperwork and information you'll need to know before you arrive to campus. Here's what it should include. A welcome letter including a pre-arrival checklist and how to sign up for the UNCW alert system. An emergency card. It's the blue thing. A check-in parking placard. It will be for either Trask or CAB. That's the Cultural Arts Building. Once you've got all of that covered, then it'll be time for the next step. Step 2. Reach out to your roommate. Communicating with your roommate is essential to having a great start to your freshman year at UNCW. Make sure to be polite and make a good first impression, and be sure to plan out what exactly each of you should bring for your residence hall living space. Which leads us to Step 3. Knowing what to pack. Hold on there, buddy. Yeah, you don't even know what to pack yet. Fortunately, there's a full list of items you should and shouldn't pack on the UNCW's website, but we'll still give you some pointers. Make sure to bring the necessities, such as your bedding, and toiletries like soap, shampoo, and towels. An Ethernet cable is also a must-have, so don't forget that. And don't forget to pack a desk lamp and school supplies. However, please avoid packing items like firearms or projectiles or any candles or fire hazards. It's only common sense. And yes, all of us here at UNCW love dogs and cats, but no pets allowed in residence halls. Sorry, Fido. Now that your packing is all squared away, it's time to head to campus. Step 4. Check in at CAB or Trask. Check-in is where you will pick up your room key. Police officers will be present to help guide traffic to Trask and CAB, so make sure you have that parking placard out. If you are headed to Trask Coliseum, follow this path to get there. Turn right onto Wagner Drive and Trask will be on your left. If you are headed to CAB, stay on Randall Drive, turn right onto Reynolds Drive, and CAB will be on your right. Step 5. Move-in day! Get excited! After you have checked in at either Trask or CAB, you can head on over to your new home. Once you arrive to your residence hall, your RA will be there to show you to your room and answer any questions you may have. Remember, your RA is there for you no matter what. After everyone in your residence hall has moved in, we can move on to Step 6. Attend your mandatory residence hall meeting. Your RA will inform you of the time and location of your mandatory residence hall meeting. He or she will go over the rules and living standards of your residence hall, such as quiet hours and guest policies. Great work! If you follow each of these steps, you'll be all set to come join our Seahawk family. Now, where were we?